for my auto army. Okay, and that is ZZ. We got one, and one. Oh, that I can actually put in here. Off in them streets, they call it murder. Say, welcome to Drum Rock. What about it, boy? What's on this? I don't see right. That right back where it was. Boom. And we threw some enhancements. Shouts out to enhancements. We gotta enhance things. Shouts out to being Team DWC. Because you know we're gonna keep things popping. That's all our work for today. Y'all see we got, let's see. That's the one that I just re-put in that cup. And I got those. I don't know if they gonna make it or not because they look like they tops ain't formulating right. And then 4 empties. But we do got four friends over here that are in new pots, so we'll see how they grow in. I'm gonna put some more water in there so their water level should be adequate enough to start off. And they should be taking off and looking like that in a week or two. So